How to make a honey jar in Blender. First, rename the cube to jar. Then add a subdivision surface modifier to it. And set the levels to 3. Go to edit mode and scale it. Add loop cuts. And extrude it. Then press I and extrude it inwards. Press Shift A and add another cube. Add subdivision surface modifier. And change the steps to 3 again. Go to edit mode and scale it. Press edit and go to preferences. And make sure you have extra mesh objects enabled. Press Shift A and add a gear. Set the number of T's to 256. Set the dedentum to 0 and the addendum to 0.005. Go to edit mode, select all and press M and merge by distance. Select the loop, press M and merge at center and dissolve the vertices. Select the face and press I and extrude it. For the glass shader, add a new material, go to the shading tab, delete the Printspot BSDF and add a glass BSDF. For the honey, add new material, change the color to orange, set the transmission to 1 and the roughness to 0.18. For the lid, add new material, change the color to yellow, set the roughness to 0.95 and the IOR to 1.25. And now you have a honey jar. Thanks for watching and bye.